What's up, y'all? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to throw your logo into your email signature, drop in a profile pic, or even add a clickable image in Yahoo Mail, all from your desktop browser. Let's get into it. Open a browser on your desktop or Mac PC. Go to mail.yahoo.com and log into your Yahoo Mail account. Enter your Yahoo account username and password. Once you log in successfully, tap the gear icon in the top right corner, then choose More Settings. On the left menu, select Writing Email. Scroll down to the Signature section and turn it on. Now it's time to create your signature and add the image. The easiest way is to open Google Docs or any other text editor. Create a free signature here. Tap on Insert at the top left menu bar and click Table and select 2 columns. In the column section, tap on Insert again, then click on Image and select Upload from your computer. Resize the picture or logo if you wish. To make this picture clickable, right-click inside the picture and select Insert Link, or enter the link URL and click Apply. In the second column, please enter your name, company name, and contact information, or any other details you would like to include in your signature. And last, to hide this box, change the table border color to white, and that's it. You can style the text to make it look appealing. Once your signature is ready, select everything, text and image, and copy it. Please return to Yahoo Mail, navigate to the signature settings, and paste the content you copied. The signature will be saved automatically. In addition, in the logo email signature, if you want to use emojis, bold text, italic, text color, highlight color, font style, size, and link, all options are given below. To add the link on selected text, select the text and click on the pin icon, enter a URL, and click Save. Now, compose a new email to check if the signature looks the way you want. Click on the Sent Mail and check the Sent Mail, including your logo email signature. That's it. You've now got an email signature in Yahoo Mail with an image included. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Free Tech Guide.